Hello and welcome to Mr. TripAdvisor, my other channel along with MGTracey. Now on the main channel MGTracey you'll be able to find a full review of this resort. So I'll put the links for that there. So we're at the H10 Rubicon Palace, which is in Playa Blanca in Lanzarote. And I was going to give you a tour of one of the sea view rooms here. So all the entrances are from corridors. This is actually on the 7th floor, but as reception is on 6th floor, it's not too bad. You'll find you have got a safe that you can program yourself. It's not big enough to get a laptop in, but you can certainly get all your money away, and you will find you've got enough hangers, etc., and plenty of storage space there. You've also got a good selection of pillows and extra bits and pieces should you need it, but your room is heated / air conditioned as you need it. So these sea view rooms have a lovely balcony, I'll show you that in a moment, and you have 2 sliding doors that you can open. You've also got plenty of space with a giant telly and plenty of room for luggage, and if you need to use your laptop or charging or whatever, it's all here. This station has a kettle and an Nespresso, and you're supplied with milk pods and the actual Nespresso pods and fresh cups and things every day. You only get water on day 1, so you need to pick that up free from one of the bars and bring it to yourself. But you'll see the sockets even have the USB adapters now, which is a lot easier for charging the phones. You may well find you have a sofa bed, or some of the other sea view rooms have twin queen beds in them. The bathrooms are quite big here, and you've got a choice of a real bath or multiple different shower options, and of course you do get a nice dressing gown and slippers. Towels are replaced each day, just leave them in the bath if you want new ones. A nice touch is the amount of bits and pieces that are filled up each day for you here, from vanity sets to sewing sets, dental kit, even a comb. Do you remember when all the hotels used to do that, rather than just a bit of a manky soap strapped to the wall? And you do have a bidet as well, so you're okay if you want to wash your feet. Right, so this is how it looks, and I'm going to open up the slidey doors now so you can have a look at the view on the veranda and what it looks like on a nice day when you can open everything up. Don't forget to like, share and subscribe. So there we are, with both the doors slid back. You've got access to sunbeds, a large veranda, a table and chairs, a terrific view of some of the islands in the distance, and you're overlooking a number of the pools. There's lots of pools in this complex. Click my link to do a full walk around this hotel on MGTracey, and the next video on this channel will be if you want to have a walk out the front here, walk along to Playa Blanca, the centre. It's about a mile, about a 40-minute walk. I'll show you what you can expect along there, and also some of the other hotels that are on the way. This catches the sun most of the day and it's lovely in the evening. Bring yourself some beers up here, sit, enjoy the view, a light breeze, and enjoy the sunshine. Definitely worth the upgrade money if you can afford it here, to get a bigger room and to get this sort of view. So please subscribe. I'm trying to get up to 10,000 subscribers on this channel. That would be fantastic if you can. Leave me a comment if you've been here. Leave me a question. Well, if you've got a question. This is Paul from London in Lanzarote, said cheerio for now.